Meaning of foreshore.
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 Foreshore. Foreshore refers to the area of beach or shoreline that is exposed during low tide and covered during high tide. It is the region between the high tide and low tide mark. This zone is of great ecological importance as it provides habitats for a variety of marine organisms, such as barnacles, crabs, and mussels. The foreshore also plays an important role in protecting the coastline from erosion caused by ocean waves. It is a dynamic and constantly changing environment, impacted by both natural and human factors. Overall, the foreshore is a critical component of coastal ecosystems.